I'm out of ringtones.
Oh, me too.
Where were you? You were supposed to pick me up from work an hour ago.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Hey guys, guess what?
What?
The people who run the sweepstakes just said the guy who won didn't pick up his phone, so they had to call and give the Ferrari to someone else, and they called me!
Who was going to win the Ferrari?
They said it was some idiot named Dragon Axe. No! As Aristotle once said, he who engages in a ringtone battle never wins.
Aristotle never said that!
Shut up, what do you know?
I have a PhD in philosophy!
No one cares!